Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, recently BRC released their official notification for scientific officer, and after that many students are getting lots of doubts regarding syllabus, exam pattern, salary and cutoff. So in today's particular video, we are going to discuss about these old topics. So guys, recently BRC released their official recruitment for BRC scientist post, and as you know, the father of nuclear program in India is Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, and for the Homi Jahangir Bhabha's name, the BRC is stabilized like Bhabha Atomic Research Center. If we talk about guys next, then BRC work in a different domain, and mainly they work in like atomic science and all. And you can also observe the BRC nuclear reactor how they look like. If we talk about the BRC different recruitment, so they release their official recruitment in a two program. The first is orientation course for engineering graduate and science postgraduate OCES, and the second is DAE Department of Atomic Energy graduate fellowships scheme for engineering graduate and physics postgraduate DGFS. So if we talk about guys OCES, then it's a 1 year program conducted at the 5 BRC center like Mumbai, Kalpakalam, Indore and Hyderabad. So the out of these any stations you may be allotted any station, and you need to go there and where your training and all will proceed. If we talk about guys DAE, then it's a 2 year program for engineering graduate, and here they will give you like stipend and all, and you need to pursue your MTech in a BRC related field, and after your MTech they will give you direct post. So these are the two type of different opportunities for you. And if you talk about the method of selection, then BRC select students in a two manner. The first one is CBT based examinations, and the second one is GATE scorecard. So guys, if you are able to perform well in GATE examinations, then you can definitely go through with the direct GATE scorecard, and if you are not able to perform well in GATE examinations, then you still have options. If you are able to perform well in CBT examinations, you will also receive an interview call there. So either of them you need a good GATE scorecard. While considering in a final merit list, they will like consider both of the selection procedure. If we talk about guys after the selections, you need to go for interview, and in a BRC interview is considered as the most difficult interview in the engineering discipline. So you need to prepare well for the interview, and once you are able to perform well in interview, then you will become a BRC scientific officers, and once your training is completed, you will become BRC scientist. So guys, if you talk about the different eligibility, then for mechanical discipline, you need a eligible subject of mechanical engineering, and your GATE paper also should be in a mechanical engineering. If we talk about chemical, then your graduation should be in chemical engineering, and your GATE subject is related to chemical engineering. Similarly, for metallurgical and for electrical engineering and electrical and electronics engineering students are also eligible. You need a GATE paper in electrical engineering. Similarly, electronics engineering and communications, electronics and telecommunication students are eligible, but your GATE paper should be in a EAC manner, and you require a GATE scorecard in EAC also. And similarly, for computer science and engineering students are eligible, and your GATE paper and GATE scorecard should be in a GATE CS branch. Similarly, for instrumentations, you can observe, and civil branch also you need a graduation in civil, and GATE scorecard should be in a civil engineering. So guys, if we talk about the method of selection, then the type of question is multiple choice questions, objective type, and the total number of question is 100 questions in a similar pattern of GATE examination with the similar level of difficulty, but the duration is 2 hours, and you will only have a 120 minutes to solve your entire paper. So that's why the students not able to solve all the questions similar like a GATE examination. So you need to select some of the selected questions, and you need to solve them, because as you know, the GATE paper level difficulty level is same as a BRC GATE paper level is same as a GATE, but then time is very less. Like in a GATE, you will have approximately 3 hours to solve 65 questions, but in a BRC you required to solve 100 questions in only 2 hours. So the duration is less, number of question is more, so you need to only solve the selected selected questions, and if you are able to solve some of the selected question like 30, 40, 50 questions, then you are able to clear the cutoff of BRC examinations. Similarly, the negative marking is also there, and the total marks of paper is 300 marks. So if we talk about, guys, BRC syllabus, then the syllabus is almost similar to the GATE examinations. You can observe the questions level is also same as a GATE examinations. BRC not release their syllabus, and they are also not releasing their PYQ and all. But we by observing the past year papers, we can analyze the paper level is same as a GATE examinations, and the question level is also as a same to same GATE examinations type. So you can observe the BRC syllabus also. If we talk about, guys, next, then the cutoff is also available for different branches, like for BRC, OCS, DGFS cutoff for 2024. The latest cutoff is for civil engineering. Cutoff for CBT examination is 104, and cutoff for the GATE score cutoff is 852. Similarly, for chemical, 157 is cutoff for CBT exam, and 689 is GATE score cutoff for chemical engineering. Computer science, 107 and 812, and mechanical, if you are able to observe, the cutoff is going low because the number of students who are appearing in mechanical is comparatively less compared to 4-5 year before. So that's why the cutoff is going little bit low. Similarly, electronics, 89, instrumentation, the cutoff is only 52, and the GATE score is also very less, 332 and 33, and electrical, 116 is cutoff, and 744 is the GATE score cutoff here. So guys, if you are able to get a more marks than this, then you have a possibility to become a BARC scientist officers. So similarly, if you talk about grade and pay, then you will receive a level 10 salary, 56,100 as per the 7 central pay commissions, and your post is also group A gazetted post as a scientific officers. And your monthly emolument include like a house rent allowances, dearance allowances, and the other allowances, transportation allowances. Then your entire salary will become 1,34,000 per month. And guys, initially when you join BRC, then you will receive a monthly stipend. Once your training is completed, after that you will receive a this salary slab. So in your training period, you will receive a monthly stipend approximately 74,000 something. So this stipend is also increased and hiked the last year. Before that, approximately 65,000 stipend will be provided by BRC, but now the stipend is also hike, and it will become 74,000 something. So once your training is completed, you will become a level 10 group A gazetted officers with the post of with the salary of 56,100. Rest, guys, there are many other details and everything is available. Notifications video is already covered on Gatewala channel, so you can follow them. And the rest, you can search Kuldeep Sir _ PW Telegram channel and join Kuldeep Sir _ PW Telegram channel, where the every type of details and informations are available to you. And lots of students who appeared in a BARC previous years, so they are also appearing this year also, so they are frequently discussing lots of the useful things which is also beneficial for you. And similarly, guys, if any PYQ and any questions are shared by the last year appearing students, sometimes they are able to remember the questions, and they will provide to us, though I will also try to share those type of questions to you, so you will get an idea which type of questions BRC is asking. So guys, this type of details you can get in a Kuldeep Sir _ PW Telegram channel. Rest, thank you so much, guys. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye, take care.